Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this T-FLEX analysis training course, and the topic for today will be the generation of reports. So inside T-FLEX, in this particular model analysis, the user can create electronic documents that contain the basic information about a calculated study. These reports are generated as HTML in HTML format, so that it is possible to open them and view them in any browser like Explorer, Chrome, whatever. This is very basic. We have a couple of settings that allow the user to define the format, but again, it's very basic stuff. I've opened one of the examples that we've seen previously in some of the lessons. It's to show as an example for this topic. So the first thing to do is to go and calculate the study. I will open, or I will create a couple of results more. So for example, it doesn't matter, reactions, and go for the calculation. So done. And now that the calculation is done, we have a function that is create report, and we open this dialog box where we can define a couple of things. So title, author, so you can put whatever you want, and for example, just to be different, Portugal. So we can display some results in 3D HTML or 3D PDF. We can customize some sections to include or not, so I will leave them all on. And we can customize image parameters regarding the sizes and backgrounds, whatever, so basic stuff. Default view, yes, and display report. So after everything it is done like the user wants, okay, we can set all this like this. Simply do the create and a place to save the HTML file. So in screen, in desktop, so save it, and after a little, so it will open automatically. So you'll get something like this with a couple of sections showing the main characteristics of the study. So you see material, so the characteristics of the material that is on the model, the mesh properties, the restraints, and we have a couple of images which basically were the ones we choose, which we can open in 3D HTML to view like this, or any of the others, so like this thing. So I think this is very easy, very flexible to use, and it's one more interesting tool for your package of commands that we already described until this point of this training course. Any help, support, questions that you may need, so we are here. We can give you all the necessary support if you send us your contact.